In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and read your emails in Outlook. Whether you're using the app or the web version, Outlook makes it incredibly easy to stay on top of your emails, and I'm here to guide you through it step by step. First, let's begin by opening up the Outlook application. If you're using a computer, this might mean clicking on the Outlook icon on your desktop or launching it from your Start menu or Applications folder. If you're on a mobile device, just locate the Outlook app among your applications. If you're using the web version, you'll want to open your preferred internet browser and navigate to Outlook's website by typing in the address or searching for it through your search engine. Once you have Outlook open, you may be prompted to sign in. This is a crucial step if you haven't set up automatic login. You'll need to enter your Microsoft account credentials. This is typically the email address and password associated with your account. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you might also need to confirm your identity with a code sent to your mobile device or another registered method. After signing in, you'll find yourself in the main interface of Outlook, the hub for all your email activity. Here, you'll see several folders on the left, and your main emails will be displayed in the center pane. Your inbox is the default landing spot and where most of your incoming emails will first arrive. To ensure you're looking at your latest emails, make sure you're in the inbox folder. Navigating is straightforward. You simply click on inbox and a list of recent emails will appear. This list includes various details such as the subject line, sender, and a brief snippet of the email's content, making it easier to identify which emails you might want to prioritize. To read any email, just click on the one you're interested in. This action will open the email in a larger view, usually on the right side of the screen or in a separate window if you're using the desktop application. Here, you'll be able to see the full content of the email, any attachments it might include, and options to reply, forward, or take other actions relevant to that email. If the email's from someone important or regarding a crucial subject, take a moment to ensure you've absorbed all its information. Outlook often provides useful features like highlighting unread messages and showing conversation threads to help organize your reading and response. And that's it! Following these simple steps will have you accessing and reading your emails with ease, letting you manage your digital communications seamlessly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tech tips and solutions.